weeks, pretty much all of Lives, they tried to convince me to cut my beard, and I kept telling them as soon as I cut my beard, I was like, I'm off this show. As soon as y'all cut my beard, I'm eliminated. That's what's gonna happen. And they kept saying that was crazy and whatever. So finally, top 5, the morning of top 5 performances, they convinced me to let them trim it.
Oh no.
And I told them, I said, look, just a little bit at a time. I said, just go a little at a time so that I can, figure out what I want. And he said, BS, and grabbed my beard, and in one cut 2 inches off of it, in one cut. And I was like, I'm pretty sure it was just like single tear.
Oh.
And I was eliminated the next day, so I don't know.
He cut the source of your power.
Yeah.
Did you tell him? Did you say, I told you so?
I did.
Good.
I came back in there. I was like, didn't I tell you that's what was going to happen?
Good for you.
But no, I wasn't bitter about that elimination because it was a good. I don't think I could have done that for another week. I think I would have gone crazy. So.
Well,
You're very talented. We all know that, and you've been playing locally around here for a long time. But The Voice just basically gave you the opportunity for the world to find out how talented you are. And what will you sing for us? What will you sing? What did you want to hear? Let Her Go by Passenger?
oh well, I mean.